TikTok Shop is the hottest new trend for affiliate marketing in 2024. And really, it's easy to see why. Billions of people are using TikTok every single month, and the ability to buy right within the platform makes it easy to earn commissions. Back when I first got started with affiliate marketing, you had to create content on a platform like YouTube or Facebook, and then encourage your audience to click a link, usually over to Amazon. Once they click that link, they would have to then buy. TikTok actually removes some of those barriers and makes it easier for people to buy and affiliates to earn commissions. The simple reason is because it keeps users or your audience right within TikTok. It makes it easier to buy, it makes it easier to earn commissions, and it's a win-win. But there's just one problem. One of the requirements to be an affiliate for the TikTok shop is that you have to have 5,000 followers. But what if I told you you didn't actually need 5,000 followers in order to become an affiliate for the TikTok shop? In fact, you don't need any followers at all. This method is completely legit. In fact, I've used it myself on 2 different accounts, one of which being my main TikTok account. And in this video, I'm gonna reveal how you can do it too, step by step. So make sure you watch this entire video and don't skip forward. You might miss a step that might mess you up. It's critical to your success. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, what are the steps to becoming a TikTok affiliate without having 5,000 followers? Should you even do this if you don't want to promote or sell TikTok products? And doesn't follower count matter if you want to earn commissions as an affiliate marketer? And finally, I've heard TikTok products are junk. Is that true? Now, I'm sure you've got those questions and more, and I'm going to answer every one of these questions throughout this video. Now, if you have different questions, comment down below, and I'll try and make a separate video answering those questions. Now, before we dive in, I'm going to show you proof that this actually works. As I mentioned, this worked for me, even though I don't have 5,000 followers. If you take a look at the picture that is just to my left, you'll see that there's actually a link to a product that I'm an affiliate for, even though I have less than 5,000 followers. And I use this exact same method on a TikTok account that has less than 60 followers that I'm currently testing for a future video. And on that testing account, I'm going to try and earn only affiliate commissions through the TikTok shop, even though I have less than 100 followers. So stay tuned and look out for that future video as I show you my journey of going from 60 followers and no money to actually making money with TikTok and affiliate marketing. So yes, this process works. So now that I've shown you that this process works, let's talk about some of the benefits of being an affiliate for the TikTok shop. You see, back in the day, about 3 years ago, TikTok was on easy mode. You could essentially upload a video of you sneezing right into the camera and you'd get about 10,000 views. If you fast forward to today, TikTok's a little bit different. You see, most people are stuck in the 3% club. And this really means that about 3% of your audience, your followers, will see your content. For example, if you have about 10,000 followers, about 300 to 600 people are normally going to see your video anytime you upload it. And quite honestly, the reason behind it is TikTok wants you to buy ads because that's how they make their money. Now, one way around this is to actually join the TikTok shop and become an affiliate. Now, if you join TikTok shop and become an affiliate, TikTok is automatically going to boost your views whenever you post a video with the TikTok shop link. And that's simply because TikTok gets paid for every sale that they make. And another benefit is you get paid commissions whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase. Now, the commission will vary depending on the product and the price, but you get paid for linking products. So instead of posting 8-minute YouTube videos, you can just post 1-minute TikTok videos, put a link at the bottom of the video, and if someone clicks and buys within the TikTok app, you get paid a commission. Now, the next question I'm sure you're asking is, doesn't follower count matter when you are trying to earn commissions? This probably will take the cake for the #1 asked question or rebuttal for why people can't get started with affiliate marketing or starting an online business. They all say, Alston, you need to have millions of followers in order to make money. I respond to them, follower subscriber count is just a vanity metric that doesn't really mean anything in the grand scheme of things. I've had people reach out to me on my YouTube channel. People who have had 500,000 followers reach out to me and say, Alston, I need your help because I'm not making any money. What do I do? How do I make more money from my YouTube channel? Follower count doesn't matter on YouTube, and it certainly doesn't matter on TikTok. And it doesn't matter for the TikTok affiliate program. In addition, when you post a video with a product from the TikTok shop, a link to the product is at the bottom of the video. No one knows how many views the video has. No one knows how many subscribers you have. So the number count doesn't really matter. They'll only see your name, the video, and the product that you're recommending from the TikTok shop. All right, so we know the benefits. We know that subscriber count doesn't matter. You might be asking yourself, should you do this even if you have no interest in promoting products from the TikTok shop? For example, you probably heard that TikTok products are trash. You've seen horror stories, you've seen videos about people just buying junk, or it's not what they intended to purchase. Or you might be interested in promoting products and services that aren't offered on the TikTok shop, and you might feel like this is a complete waste of your time. And quite honestly, I felt the same way until I discovered 2 loopholes that I could use towards my advantage. See, I want people to download my free online business planner, which can be found at gboltsystems.com. But unfortunately, most of my videos only get 200 to 300 views. So being a good marketer, I decided to test 2 different methods to see if I could boost my views. The first way is I actually created a book. This book is usually a workbook that I sell digitally. It's the 2-day affiliate marketing workbook. I converted the workbook into a regular book and I raised the price really high. And finally, I make sure that I mention the book throughout the video that I plan on linking the book to. And whenever I do this, I usually get 4 times the views as I normally would without linking any products. And the second way is you're actually looking at it. I try and include a product that can be found in the TikTok shop even if I don't intend to sell it. This microphone here is from the TikTok shop, although I didn't buy it on TikTok, I bought it from Amazon. But whenever I make a video with this microphone in my hand and then I link it in my video, I get a bunch more views. All right, the time that you've been waiting for, let's go ahead and walk through the process of becoming an affiliate, even though you don't have 5,000 subscribers. You're gonna need a few things in order to do this. You're gonna need to use a driver's license or state ID, a passport, and an email address. You're also going to need an active TikTok account, so make sure you have all of those things set up before jumping in. All right, so if we take a look at my screen here, I am at the TikTok shop website. What you'll need to do is just Google TikTok shop and it'll be the first one. Once you get over here, you are going to put in your phone number or email. As you can see, I'm using TikTokburner@alstongodbolt.com. It's a dummy email address that will only be used for this one purpose. I'm gonna click continue and it's gonna send me some sort of thing to do, and then it's going to send me an email to confirm that it's a real thing. Once I do that, it's gonna send me this verification code. It'll take a couple minutes to get the code. I'll enter the code in and then we can move on to the next step, which is essentially linking the accounts together. All right, so after about a minute or so, I've got my code and I'm going to be let into the back office once I create a password. All right, so now that I'm here, we have to walk through the process of setting up an account. If you are going to do this as an individual, you just need your social. If you are going to use this as a business, you're going to need to enter in your LLC and your EIN, your employee identification number. Once you do that, you're going to walk through the process. As you can see here, it wants you to upload your front and back of your driver's license. Once you go through this process, I'm going to show you how to do this. All right, so the one thing that I do want to show you is that you do want to you have to include a shop name. The shop name will be linked to your TikTok account. So don't make it anything silly, don't make it anything goofy, make it real general and real broad so that you can promote multiple products. So it says that you stay away from flagship or official. You could say something like best finds, 2024, something like that. And then you can just choose a primary product. It doesn't really matter for this. And then make sure that you enter in your phone number. And then once you enter in your phone number, it will send you a code. All right, so it'll ask you to confirm your information. Once you confirm your information, it will look like this. And so really the final step that you're gonna need to do is you're going to come down here and click on get started. When you click on get started, so as you can see here, you're just going to press on link official account. You are going to open up your TikTok app, go over to your profile, and you're going to scan this QR code. It's going to link everything together with authorize. Once you do that, you'll become an affiliate. Now that you know step by step how to become an affiliate without 5,000 followers, watch this video next because you still need to learn about affiliate marketing.